minutes later.
So I tried to do a proper pull on this car this morning with the race map on, and I was spinning in second, third, and fourth, but these tires are pretty much toast. So these tires are done. This side is worse than the other because this is the side the car wants to pull to. So basically the whole trip back from Nisformance, the car's trying to pull right, we're fighting it back. That just destroyed this tire, but the other one's bad too. I finally put these smoke reflectors in. I've been dying to do that. It's so stupid, it takes like 5 minutes, but I didn't do it till today. But anyway, I got my new wheels because the front driver's wheels cracked. See a crack there, and you can see it on the other side as well. And then you can see it in the back too. And I don't know if the new wheels are gonna match or not. If they're close, I'll just roll them. If they're way off, I may just paint the forward them so they, at least they match. But I also got a set of Federal 595s, not brand new. These were on the Supra, Rudi Supra, and they're 235 45 18s. Now the two front tires I got, or rims I got rather, to replace are rears, so it'll be squared setup. So they'll be the same size as what's on this rear now. But currently on these, I'm kind of running a little bit of a stretch. 235 40 18. These are the Ventus V12 Evo 2. I may just get another set of these in the front in the same size. I don't know. I don't know yet. I mean, these are just something to put on for now, burn through them, see what they look like, see if I like them. I don't know if they're going to be a little too tall. They should be okay. I guess we'll find out, but I don't have to pay for them, so that's a good thing. So let's go look at those rims that I got in the mail and see what's up. Oh, I also got some hood latches that I'm going to put on the carbon fiber hood. Arrow catch. They put some protection in here, that's good. Refinished wheels, reconditioned wheels. Yeah, so I have a feeling these are lighter. These are definitely be lighter than what I got, but I'm gonna bring it outside and see. Yeah, I think these are lighter for sure. I don't know, now that I look at them again, they look pretty close. I think the ones in the car are slightly darker, but if I really need to look at it that closely to figure it out, it's probably fine. I think we're good to roll with these as they are. So I'll get those on the front, get those Federal 595s put on, go get an alignment so I don't chew up another set of tires for no reason. Then we should be good to make a good healthy pull without sliding all over the place and spinning tires like a maniac. I do eventually want to do a corner bounce as well, which would be nice. But yeah, once I get all that set up, I will hit you guys again. All right, peace.